Hello everyone. I would like to show some needles that we use for different sewing machines that we have, and I would like to start with the machine we call Blackhead butterfly sewing machine. And you can use this needle DP, and normally I use size 16. I use size 16 because my most of the fabric I sew is not too light, neither is too heavy, so it's kind of medium. So I use DP size 16 for my Blackhead sewing machine. And then if you have difficulty in sewing fabric that are stretching, you can use this needle HA. Then this is DB is for industrial machine. It's for industrial machine. And we have DC is for overlocking machine. It's for overlocking machine that you use to overlock your fabric after sewing. Okay, so this HA needle is for electric portable sewing machine. You know, we have a butterfly electric portable sewing machine, so it's for all those portable sewing machine. This HA needle is for them. So these are the needles. This is for Blackhead butterfly machine, what we call Blackhead butterfly machine. This is for electric portable sewing machine butterfly. There's also it has a butterfly brand also, and you can also use this HA on a Blackhead machine to sew stretchy fabric. DB B for banana is for industrial machine, and DC is for weaving machine or overlocking machine.